Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Football Manager 26 game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing, low FPS or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game, then from home screen now, press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings. After that, test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Football Manager 26 update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs and other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating, check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to clear cache of Football Manager 26. For that, open Xbox site. Now click on My Games and Apps. Tap on See All. Here search for Football Manager 26. Now press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account. Then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Football Manager 26. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Football Manager 26, then press menu button and then select Uninstall option. After the game is removed, open Football Manager 26 official website and then download the game once again and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then the final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So by this way, you can easily fix Football Manager 26 game crashing, not launching or other issues on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.